Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add BCC to your email in Outlook. So, for those who don't know what is a BCC, it stands for blind carbon copy, and it means that if you are going to send an email to multiple recipients, each recipient is not going to know to how many people this email was sent. They are only going to see that this email was sent to them. So, as you can see, I'm using the desktop version of Outlook, not the Sys365 Microsoft version, and it looks the same as you would and works as you would open it in a Google Chrome browser or Opera browser or anything like this. So if you are creating an email, just create new email and writing the email. As you can see, there are two options, CC and BCC. CC stands for carbon copy, and everyone is going to see to who this email was sent. And BCC means that, like a carbon copy. So you are just going to add here the contacts that you want, the emails that you want to send the BCC email to them, and just write the email and click send, and they are not going to see the other recipients of this email. If you are going to write them here, the CC, just two with the CC option right here. As you can see, they are going to see other recipients. If you're going to write the contacts right here in this section, they are not going to see other recipients. So this is it. This is how you add a BCC to your email. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.